If you want to become a successful bank teller or improve your banking career, this training is for you. Today, we're breaking down the essential bank teller duties and responsibilities that every professional must master to succeed in the banking industry. Every transaction matters. Every customer interaction builds trust. As shown on this slide, bank tellers are truly the front line of banking success. Your role directly impacts customer satisfaction, security, and the reputation of the entire bank. Let's break it down. A bank teller's role centers around three critical responsibilities. First, accurate transactions, handling money with precision. Second, protecting bank assets, ensuring security at all times. And third, building trust and loyalty through compliance and strong customer relationships. So what exactly is a bank teller? A bank teller is a frontline banking professional responsible for processing transactions, assisting customers, and maintaining security and compliance. This includes two core areas: transaction processing, customer interaction. Master both, and you become highly valuable in any bank. Here are the key teller duties you must perform daily. First, process transactions like deposits and withdrawals accurately. Second, verify customer identity before completing any transaction. And third, balance your cash drawer to ensure everything reconciles at the end of your shift. These are non-negotiable responsibilities in banking. Great tellers don't just process transactions, they deliver exceptional service. That starts with greeting customers warmly, listening actively, understanding customer needs. Every interaction is an opportunity to build trust and represent your bank with excellence. Now let's talk about compliance, one of the most important parts of your role. You must follow AML policies to prevent financial crimes, protect customer data and privacy, and report any suspicious activity immediately. This isn't optional, it protects both the bank and the customer. Let's walk through a real-world example. Step 1. A customer approaches, you greet them professionally. Step 2. You verify their identity and account details before proceeding. This simple process shows how professionalism, security, and accuracy all come together in real time. Here are some common mistakes you must avoid. Mishandling cash, which leads to errors and disputes. Skipping ID verification, which opens the door to fraud. Ignoring suspicious behavior, which can cause compliance violations. Avoiding these mistakes is key to protecting your career and your bank. If you want to succeed as a teller, follow these best practices. Always double-check transactions. Maintain a professional attitude at all times. Stay updated on bank policies and procedures. Consistency in these habits separates average tellers from top performers. A successful teller follows a clear daily workflow. Start by preparing your workstation and cash drawer. Then focus on assisting customers efficiently and professionally throughout the day. Structure creates accuracy, and accuracy builds trust. Let's recap the key takeaways. Bank teller duties combine accuracy, customer service, compliance. Strong service builds trust. Strong security protects everyone. And strong habits create long-term success. If you're serious about becoming a top-performing bank teller, this is your foundation. Master your duties, deliver excellence every day, and continue building your professional growth in banking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more financial training content from Get It.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.